Every year in the United States, floods cause around $6 billion worth of damage. Many people don't realize their home insurance likely doesn't cover them in the event of a flood. How can you be sure you're getting the right coverage for the right price? Keep watching. Assessing your risk. When thinking about buying flood insurance, Florida residents need to assess their risks. While almost any home can be at risk of flooding, it's true some need more protection than others. If you live in a low-lying area near a river or in a floodplain, you're going to need more protection. You can contact your insurance agent to determine if your home is in a high-risk area. You should also research historical flooding in your area. How common have floods been in the past? Has flooding become more common recently? You may also want to see if you can find information about the cost of historical floods. How much damage did they do? Another good question to ask is whether your home or one you want to buy has ever made a claim for flooding. Talk to a local insurance agent who can tell you about historical flooding in the area. They may even have information on the property you're considering. Your own insurance agent may be able to help the research process as well. Flood Insurance Program. The National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, is a good place to start for most homeowners. FEMA gives estimates for the average cost of flood insurance through the program, from several $100s to a few thousand. One problem with the NFIP is that it caps your coverage. Your insurance maxes out at $250,000 for damage to your home and $100,000 for personal belongings. For many people, this isn't enough. Private insurance options. The private flood market usually offers higher dwelling limits than the NFIP, so this can be a good option if you're looking for greater coverage. HH Insurance works with almost 10 private flood markets, allowing us to provide you with competitive rates. While shopping for flood insurance in the private market, keep in mind the additional coverage options available that are not available in the NFIP. This includes cost coverage on contents, which will pay to replace your items brand new, rather than replacing them at the depreciated value. You can also add coverage to refill your pool and to cover any other structures on your property, such as a shed or pool house. And you can even add coverage to pay for additional living expenses in the event you're put out of your home during a loss. The best flood insurance will be the policy that gives you the coverage you need at an affordable price. Remember to think about value, not cost. You want the best coverage for the lowest cost. Best insurance providers. You want to be sure you're working with an insurance provider who has your best interests at heart. They're going to work hard for you, and you want to know you can rely on them if you do ever need to make a claim. As you gather quotes, think about the customer service you receive from insurance providers. How friendly and helpful are their agents? They should have expertise too. Great customer service is part of the value of your policy. If you're not getting good customer service to go with a low price, you're not getting the best flood insurance. If you're still shopping for the best flood insurance, why not contact us for a quote? We can help you get started with the right policy to protect your property. If you have questions about different types of insurance, take a look around our blog. We have articles and guides designed to help you find peace of mind. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.